Engines need moving parts, right? But what if you could make one that didn't? Okay, so I've got a jar here and some methylated spirits. I actually tried this years ago and I used hand sanitizer, but that didn't work too well. I could only get it to work for about a second at a time. It didn't pulse for very long. So I'm trying it again. This stuff should work better. Just a quick safety note, this jar could explode. So I've got a bath of water here, which I'm going to try to put it in to keep the whole system cooler, so the jar doesn't explode. I've also got glasses here and some big gloves, and I'll be standing back after I light it. But let's give it a shot. Okay. Oh, there we go. Alright, see what I mean, how it breaks? Perhaps I'll have to stop it after a few seconds, maybe 5 seconds or so, if I want to do this multiple times, because I don't have too many jars. But yeah, I'm gonna close some blinds, turn off some lights, make it darker in here so you can see the flame. The thing about methylated spirits, which is ethanol, it burns very dimly. It burns very clean and very dimly, so you can't really see the flame in the middle of the day. Just let it run for a bit. Don't want that jar to break. Yeah, okay, it's pretty warm, not too hot, but how cool was that? Really don't want this jar to break. So here's what's actually happening. I'm using methylated spirits, which is about 95% ethanol. And ethanol is a volatile liquid, which means it evaporates into a gas at room temperature. And this vapor is highly flammable. And so when you put some of the ethanol into the jar, it fills it quickly with the flammable vapor. Then when you ignite it, it combusts and expands, pushing air out. This creates lower pressure inside the jar, which sucks more air in, more oxygen. Then it ignites again and repeats that process, pushing air out, sucking air in, multiple times a second. Now, pulse jet engines aren't used much, but some smaller aircraft these days use these types of engines. This is just a cool way to demonstrate it using a simple jar. So, that's pretty cool. Methylated spirits worked much better than hand sanitizer. If you want to check out that video, you can click on the link here. Otherwise, check out this video where I made a rocket using a bike pump and a soda bottle. But otherwise, that is the end of the video. If you did enjoy it, then please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to see future videos like this.